and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today's Blackstone burger recipe, Babe told me it was a bad idea. But it's not a bad idea. Because Babe calls it a walking pie. What else can you call it? Fritos, chili.
Oh no, that's totally different, Babe.
Yeah, but that's when you put it in the bag.
Yeah.
It's called a walking pie.
Yeah.
But imagine if you had chili cheese Fritos with 80-20 ground beef, with that crust on the Blackstone, with cheddar cheese, with HORMEL chili, no beans, maybe even an egg on a big bun, a chili cheese Frito Smashburger.
Are you putting lettuce and tomato and onion on it too?
Nope. We're going gangster style today. This is my creation, and Babe, she said, okay, tell me how to make it, and I'll make it, and you create it.
Yeah, Babe.
Okay.
Josh's creation.
And there we go.
You got the ingredients that I told you at the store today.
Yes.
A bag of chili cheese Fritos.
Check.
Salt and pepper. 80-20 ground beef. To make our balls that we're going to smash down for our smash burger.
Okay.
Some big giant sesame seed fluffy buns because this is going to be a big messy burger. A can of HORMEL chili, no beans. The world's greatest chili, P.S., by the way.
According to you and Olivia.
Yes. So what the plan is first, oh, that's an egg ring, Babe, because we're going to decide. You're going to make the call if egg goes on it.
Okay.
When I was a cook at Fatburger, Babe, we used to sell a chili cheeseburger without Fritos, but with an egg on it. It was very popular. That was my first job, Babe.
I know.
I was a cook at Fatburger.
Yeah.
Fatburger is an LA landmark.
I don't think I've ever been.
Oh, well, I need to take you.
But you know what I did do?
What?
I did deliver it on our Postmates video.
Oh, that's right, you did. We'll have to link that above, the Postmates video, when we became Postmates Uber drivers. So first, you grab a Ziploc bag, you put some in there. Yeah, that's good. That's probably good right there. You're going to close the bag. Let me see here. You're going to close the bag. And then you're going to lightly smash it. We want it to be coarse.
We do?
Yeah, we don't want it to be powder. We want it to be coarse.
Okay, see, I suggested the Ninja.
Yeah, Babe wanted to make it Frito powder, but I want to be able to feel the crunch.
Like to use it as our breadcrumb. But okay.
It's gonna be big breadcrumbs.
Okay, ready? Sometimes when I'm mad at you, that's what I want to do. Okay.
So we want to mix that in with our 80-20 ground beef, along with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then we're gonna roll those into 2 equal-sized balls. And we really, the goal is to not only get that crust from the Blackstone, but to feel the Fritos, babe.
Wait, you made this recipe up on your own. I'll be honest. I Googled it, and I couldn't find anything like it.
Well, there you go.
I'll be honest. I was wondering where you got this wild idea from.
2 equal-sized balls, and then we're going to smash those down on the Blackstone.
2 balls.
2 balls.
Even balls.
Even balls, babe.
2 even balls. You gotcha.
2 even balls, babe.
Okay. With the gloves that are too big. We're back to the extra large size gloves.
Correct.
Bye-bye small gloves.
How good does that smell right now, though?
I mean, it smells good.
Chili cheese Fritos are epic, babe.
You love these things. I actually learned about them from you.
Yeah, and they're delicious.
I had never had
As you can see, it's Blackstone time. Stick with us. I promise this will be epic. Babe has her doubts, but it will be epic.
World's greatest chili.
Yeah, baby. It would be the world's greatest if it had beans.
No, babe. Chili is not meant to have beans.
Oh, wow. That's attractive. Babe, how do you know when it's time to flip it?
How do you know when there's a giant truck backing up back there?
Yeah.
Doesn't the truck driver know that I'm trying to build the world's most epic smash burger? So babe, once the burger starts, you can see the color coming up the sides, and it's flipperoo time.
Okay. I was wondering.
So you're gonna toast
Like crisping the little
Oh yeah, babe.
Fritos.
Oh, it's gonna be so good.
We will see.
And you're gonna toast the buns with Japanese kewpie mayo. Oh yeah.
This is your experiment.
This is my experiment.
Let's see. Okay, babe. Kewpie, however you say it, mayo. Link below if you want yummy Japanese mayo. We're gonna put these on the grill.
right, so our egg wasn't just perfect last time. So Babe's gonna redo it because this experiment has to have the perfect egg. She's using no egg ring this time. What happened again?
It's perfect.
It's perfect?
Yes.
Are you sure, babe?
Yep.
We have to have the most epic egg for this epic burger.
It's perfect. Okay.
Patty number 1 with the sharp cheddar.
Okay.
A handful of Fritos.
Oh, jeez. You're getting wild. Crunch them up or just...
No, I would just try and pack them as many as you can on there.
Okay.
Because we want that crunch when we bite into the burger. Thing is going to be patty number 2, babe.
No chili on that.
No, not yet. Okay.
Chili?
Next up is some chili. Hey, babe, you got to make it look sexy.
Don't know that there's anything sexy about chili, but I'll do my best.
Oh, yeah. Okay, babe, now it's time for the egg.
Okay.
And then when you squeeze that, that egg's going to pop. But let's not pop it yet. Let's put the top on. Okay, babe. So now I figure if we smash it down a little bit, maybe that... Oh, there it is. Oh, boy. Now that, my friends, is a burger. Smash burger with chili cheese Fritos in it. With that popped egg. 2 pieces of sharp cheddar cheese, HORMEL chili, no beans, that big fluffy sesame seed bun, toasted like a grilled cheese sandwich with Japanese kewpie mayo. Come the F on. You have to be the taster. No. I was the creator. You have to be the taster. Babe's gonna cut it down the middle now.
Babe, how am I gonna eat that?
I don't know, babe. Get out of here. Oh yeah, babe. Do you hear the crunch?
Mm-hmm. I heard it.
And?
It's good.
I want your serious thoughts, babe. You need to describe it to the people.
It's good.
Because some people are probably going, you guys are gross.
It tastes like chili cheese Fritos on a burger. It's delicious. I think it's good. I like it.
What else would you add? Maybe mustard? I was thinking about adding mustard, like a yellow mustard.
Maybe bacon.
Bacon too? Oh, that would be really epic. Chili, bacon, egg, chili cheese Fritos burger. Holy moly.
Huh.
Oh, well, you've had 3 bites, so I'm assuming it's not bad.
Oh, good.
Babe, where?
Okay, your turn.
How do I even go about this?
Excuse me, your mouth is 3 times the size of mine.
That's not true.
I'm sure you can fit it in.
It's not, babe,
Just fine.
Babe, boy.
All the gooey goodness. You like it?
Well, that is exactly what I was craving today.
Is it really? That's funny. It tastes exactly like you described it.
That was good.
It is good.
Chili cheese Fritos.
Does the egg make it
Smash
breakfast?
burger. And the egg makes it... I could do without the egg.
I liked the egg for effect.
Fly, I'm going to murk you.
We need a salt gun.
Yeah, we do. All right. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Do you know that 76% of the people that watch our channel are not subscribed? So as I have to do, bing! Hit that button. We love you. Thank you. We'll be back with another video. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some more of this.
You're doing it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Take it. So good. Bye-bye. Thank you.